Hey y'all, what's good? This is your girl Nikki, aka the Bayou Chick, and I just wanted to come and do a quick video. I know it's been a while since I posted one, and that's mainly because I have not found a way to upload my videos easily. Basically, back in the day when I used to do videos on my other channel on YouTube, I used like a flip share camcorder, and it was so easy. I just basically recorded with this little device, and I can plug it into my laptop, and it would upload to YouTube. But now I don't really have enough storage area, so I make videos all the time, but I'm not always. I sometimes run out of storage, or I gotta delete this one, and I haven't had a chance to upload it because I haven't already. You know how you make videos, you save them, and you're like, you know what, I'm gonna save it so I can upload it, and then I see something else interesting I want to share. I make a video of that, and I haven't even loaded the previous one, so then I have to delete that one, and it's just like a never-ending cycle. So, I'm working on some little gadget that I can use to, upload videos easily, because I've been making a lot of videos of a lot of interesting things, and I want to share them with you. So I'm really behind. Like, I've had a plant sale, I've done like a whole bunch of things. I've been working on the flower farm, and I really wanted to vlog that journey, and I have them, and I just kind of like send the links to my I send the footage to my email, so maybe I'll be able to retrieve it and still share it with y'all. But anyway, this video today is about the Gardenize app. This is what I use to help me keep track of my house plants or some of the vegetables. I don't really have a lot of my vegetables on there because it's a farm type situation, so it's really not anything I have to really keep track of. But if you have, I think it's a great tool to use if you have like a smaller, actually, any size garden. It's just, my crops are normally like, a standard. They're like one crop. It's really nothing I have to keep track of. But I do use it quite a bit for my house plant collection, and the plants like in my yard, my personal collection is what I'll say. So I like the app because it's free. There is a premium version that will allow you to export like your plants onto a spreadsheet with your pictures, so you can actually print it out and pass it to like one of your, if somebody comes to visit your garden, you can pass it to them. If they don't have a mobile device, say like an older relative, you can pass it to them, and they can actually see where all the plants are at in your garden. So they have that feature. That's a premium feature, but there's so much you can do with the free version that I really love, and I want to share it with y'all because I want some more friends on Gardenize, and there's not a lot, and I want to see y'all gardens, and I think it's a good way to journal your plant journey from seed all the way to harvest if you want to. I buy a lot of rescue plants from like clearance racks. I scout plants all the time in bad shape, and I love taking pictures of them in the stage when I purchase them, and all the way up to how they've just blossomed, and into that to that stage when I have them and I babied them. So I like to take pictures of all of those different phases of the plant. So I love the app for that. Also, it's a good way to log where the plants are in your yard. So you can say, okay, this one's in the greenhouse. You can designate certain areas. This is in the greenhouse, this is on the patio, this is in the backyard, this is in the flower bed. It's just so many great features, and I really want y'all to download it and come and find me on there. Look for Nikki Azeez, search for me, Nikki Azeez. I'll post information in the comments below about how to find the app. It's on iTunes, but I think you can find it on Android as well. It's by a company out of Sweden, so it's a Swedish app. So some of the measurements might not be in like our metric system, our US metric system, but you can always like convert it. Like, for instance, it might say as far as the height, what are the ranges, the height that this plant can grow to. Some of that might be a little bit different, but it's like, I love it because I can take a picture of the plant. Like, it's normally what I do is as soon as I buy the plant, I take a picture of it straight to the app. And then so it also logs the first time I took the picture. You can adjust the date. But it's a good way for me to track, when did I buy this plant or when did I get it? I can always go back and I take a picture of it initially so I can keep track of it, because sometimes, I might forget exactly what species of plant that was, or the seed. So I log it like pretty much instantly. I'm trying to get really good about doing that. And then you can log like all of the different events, like, when did you water, when did you repot it, when is it time to prune it. You can set reminders of, what, I need to make sure I fertilize this in the spring, or this plant is coming out of dormancy. So it has a lot of good features, especially if you have a large plant collection and you're trying to keep track of it. Like, I love my plants, and I pretty much research them really well, so I can look at a plant and know exactly what plant that is, where it's from. I'm really good about that, but still it's good sometimes not to overtax your brain. You know, why remember all that if you don't have to? So I hope this app never ever leaves. It's just one of those things that I will have. I don't care if I have to delete every other app on my phone. I will definitely keep Garden Eyes, and I just wanted to share that with y'all. So check it out. Find me on there and friend me or follow me and let me know so I can follow you on there too, because I want to check out your garden, your digital garden. I want to see it. So I will talk to you guys later. Just wanted to share that with you, and I hope you're having a great Halloween. Happy Halloween for those who celebrate. All right, bye y'all.